How to transfer money from Venmo to debit card 2025 method. If you've ever needed cash fast from your Venmo account, you know the frustration of waiting days for a standard bank transfer. What if I told you there's a method in 2025 that lets you transfer money directly to your debit card in minutes? Most people get this wrong and end up waiting unnecessarily. But today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to make instant transfers, avoid fees when possible, and manage your Venmo funds efficiently. Let's start with the basics. Venmo, owned by PayPal, is a popular peer-to-peer payment app that allows users to send, receive, and store money digitally. Many people use it for splitting bills, paying friends, or even small business transactions. Typically, when you transfer money from Venmo to a bank account, the standard method takes 1-3 business days. But in 2025, Venmo has enhanced its instant transfer feature, allowing you to send money directly to an eligible debit card within minutes, giving you access to your funds almost immediately. Here's what you need before starting. First, you need a Venmo account in good standing. Your account should be verified with your full name, date of birth, social security number, and linked bank account or debit card. Venmo takes security seriously, so only verified accounts can make instant transfers. If your account isn't verified, you'll need to complete the verification process in the app, which usually takes a few minutes to a few hours, depending on document processing. Next, make sure your debit card is eligible. Venmo supports most US, Visa and MasterCard debit cards for instant transfers. In 2025, this feature has expanded to include some prepaid debit cards as well, though not all prepaid cards qualify. To check eligibility, open Venmo, go to Settings, then Payment Methods, and select Add a Card. Enter your debit card details, and Venmo will verify whether instant transfers are supported. If the card isn't eligible, you'll need to either link a different debit card or use the standard bank transfer. Now that you're set up, let's go through the transfer process step by step. First, open your Venmo app and navigate to the Manage Balance or Transfer to Bank section. You'll see two options, Standard and Instant. Standard transfers are free but take 1-3 business days. Instant transfers, which we're focusing on, move funds directly to your debit card within minutes, though there's a small fee, typically 1.5% of the transfer amount, with a minimum fee of $0.25 and a maximum of $15. In 2025, Venmo occasionally offers promotions that reduce this fee, so keep an eye on your app notifications for special deals. Once you select Instant, you'll choose the debit card you want to transfer funds to. If you've linked multiple cards, be careful to select the correct one. Enter the amount you want to transfer and review the transfer summary. Venmo will display the fee and the net amount you'll receive. At this point, double-check the numbers because instant transfers are final and cannot be reversed once processed. After confirming the transfer, Venmo will initiate the transaction. Most debit card transfers complete within minutes, but occasionally, it may take up to 30 minutes depending on your bank's processing system. You'll receive a notification in the app once the transfer is complete, and your funds should appear in your debit card account almost immediately. For security, Venmo monitors transactions for unusual activity, so large transfers may trigger additional verification steps, but this is rare for everyday amounts. Let's discuss fees in more detail because many people overlook them. The 1.5% fee for instant transfers can add up if you transfer large amounts frequently. For example, transferring $1,000 would cost $15, which is the maximum fee cap. Some users try to avoid this fee by using standard bank transfers, but the trade-off is waiting 1-3 business days. One strategy is to combine both methods. Keep a small balance in your bank account for everyday expenses using standard transfers, and only use instant transfers when immediate access is necessary. Another tip is timing your transfers. Venmo considers weekends and holidays as non-business days for standard transfers. If you need money on a Saturday morning, instant transfer is your best option. However, if it's Monday morning and you don't need the funds immediately, a standard transfer can save you the fee. It's also worth noting that in 2025, Venmo has added extra security layers for instant transfers. You may be prompted to confirm your identity using a biometric scan, PIN, or a verification code sent to your email or phone. This ensures that even if someone gains access to your account, they cannot instantly drain funds to an unauthorized debit card. Make sure your contact information is up to date to avoid delays during verification. For business users, transferring money from Venmo to a debit card can be especially useful. Small businesses that use Venmo for customer payments or gig workers can move money quickly to their debit cards, avoiding the delay of standard transfers. This is particularly helpful for managing cash flow, paying vendors, or covering unexpected expenses. Let's explore common issues users encounter. One problem is using a debit card that's not supported. If you try to transfer to an unsupported card, the app will display an error. The solution is either adding a different card or using your linked bank account for a standard transfer. Another issue is insufficient funds in your Venmo balance. Remember, Venmo only transfers what's available in your balance. If you have pending payments from friends or clients, you may need to wait until those transactions clear. If your transfer doesn't arrive instantly, check your bank account for processing delays. Even though Venmo initiates the transfer immediately, some banks take a few minutes to post the funds. If the funds still don't appear after 30 minutes, contact Venmo support. They are generally responsive and can resolve issues quickly. Now, a question many people ask: can you transfer more than one transfer at a time? The answer is yes, but Venmo may have daily or weekly transfer limits. In 2025, most accounts have a weekly rolling limit of $19,999 for person-to-person transactions and transfers to debit cards. Make sure you don't exceed these limits, or your transfer could be declined. If you need higher limits, you can request a limit increase by verifying additional information in your account settings. Finally, it's important to keep your Venmo app updated. In 2025, the app continues to roll out updates that improve transfer speed, security, and usability. Using the latest version ensures you have access to all features and avoids glitches during the transfer process. In summary, transferring money from Venmo to your debit card in 2025 is faster, easier, and more secure than ever. By linking an eligible debit card, verifying your account, and following the instant transfer process, you can have your funds in minutes. Remember the fee structure, daily limits, and security protocols to ensure smooth transactions. Most people still make the mistake of using standard transfers when they need money fast, but now you know the method to access your funds immediately. By mastering instant transfers, you can manage your personal or business finances efficiently, avoid unnecessary delays, and maintain full control over your money. Whether it's paying yourself, covering an emergency expense, or managing cash flow for your business, the 2025 method makes Venmo transfers simple, predictable, and reliable. Now that you understand the full process, you can confidently transfer money from Venmo to your debit card in minutes, avoid unnecessary fees, and optimize your financial management. With this knowledge, you're equipped to handle your Venmo funds like a pro in 2025.